China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. For a $6 billion project, China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, or CPEC, geographically refers to 2,000-kilometer road and rail link connecting Kashgar, West China's Xinjiang region to Pakistan's southwest part of Gwadar. The project is not mainly limited to transportation, but it also includes cooperation and financing investments, as well as measures on energy power, which cover coal-fired power plants, hydroelectric power, wind-generated power, solar power station, and coal supplies. The corridor is also expected to help some of the most underdeveloping areas of Pakistan by reducing poverty and generating job opportunities. Benefits to China. The CPEC will reduce China's transportation distance from 10,000 kilometers to 2,000 kilometers, as currently China is transporting goods to Middle East and Africa through Strait of Malacca, which takes 45 days. It will also reduce the transportation time frame to even lesser than 10 days through the new route from Khunjara Pass, Sostrai Port Hunza, Gilgit Baltistan, CPEC, Punjab, and the largest province of Pakistan, Balochistan, to Gwadar deep water seaport. In broader view, CPEC will closely connect China to Central Asia, Persian Gulf, and West Asia through economic and energy cooperation. The Pakistan-China fiber optic project is an under-construction 820-kilometer long optical fiber cable being laid between the Khunjara Pass on the China-Pakistan border and the city of Rawalpindi. It is being constructed as part of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor at an estimated cost of $44 million. Groundbreaking on the project took place on May 19, 2016 in Gilgit city. The line will connect the Transit Europe-Asia terrestrial cable network with that of Pakistan. There are some disadvantages of CPEC as well. For example, due to heavy flow of traffic and increasing diversity on the roads, drugs, smuggling, and crime rate may increase. This may also hamper the cultural identity of the area and its people. And there will be increasing noise and air pollution to the environment. There is also increasing life threat to wild animals such as ibex, earth squirrel, Marco Polo sheep, blue sheep, and snow leopard of Punjab National Park.